In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a carousel on Webflow. We'll walk through the process step by step. So even if you're new to Webflow, you'll be able to follow along and build a clean, functional image slider for your website. First, log into your Webflow account. Once you're on your dashboard, you'll see the list of projects you're working on. Find the site where you want to add the carousel, hover over it, and click Open in Webflow. This will take you into the Webflow Designer, which is where we'll be doing all the work. Inside the designer, we're going to add a slider element. A quick shortcut is to press the A key on your keyboard. This opens the Add panel on the left side of the screen. In the search bar at the top of that panel, type Slider. When you see the slider component, click it, then drag and drop it onto the page where you want your carousel to appear. You can place it inside a section, a container, or any layout you've already set up. With the slider still selected, move your attention to the right-hand panel. Make sure you're on the Style tab. Scroll down until you see the Background section. Under Backgrounds, you'll find an option called Image and Gradient. On the right side of that row, click the plus icon. A small menu will appear. Choose Image from the drop-down to open the image settings. When you do this, Webflow will open your Assets panel on the left. Here, you can choose an existing image or any asset you'd like to use for your slide. If the image you want isn't uploaded yet, look near the top left of the Assets panel for the upload icon. Then select a file from your computer. Once the upload is complete and you click on the image, it will be applied as the background of your current slide, and you'll see it appear immediately in the canvas. To add an image to the next slide, use the slide navigation at the bottom of the slider in the canvas. Click the next slide arrow so you move to the second slide. With that slide active, repeat the same steps. Go to the Background section in the Style tab, add an image, and select or upload the asset you want. You can do this for each slide, and you can also adjust other style settings such as size, position, or overlay to keep your carousel consistent and visually appealing. If you want to add more slides beyond the default ones, select the slide navigation again, then look to the right-hand panel and switch from the Style tab to the Settings tab. In the slider settings, you'll see an option called Add Slide. Click that, and Webflow will automatically create a new slide for you. You can then style it and add an image in exactly the same way as before. Once you've set up your images and adjusted any extra settings, your carousel is ready to use on your Webflow site.